I said I would wait, and I didn't wait. I just saw the specs on this, and people were saying about it, and I'm going on a big trip soon, so I wanted to get it to bring it on my trip. So this is gonna be just a quick unboxing. The reason why I'm doing the unboxing is because a lot of the folks that were sent the camera for review from Insta360, which I was not, this is purchased by myself through Amazon. They talked about other things that came with it that they might have gotten along with it when they got the product from Insta360. So I just want to show you what comes in the box standard. This is the $399 version, 64 gigabyte, which I have been using the 128 and I can't fill that thing up. But everyone's different on what they record and how much they have on there. I can't fill 128 gig up, so 64 is gonna be plenty for me and save me a couple of bucks. Let's open this thing up and see what's in the standard edition. So I did already unbox this thing, so I've been using the camera, and I do like the cameras. So you get USB-C up here at the top, instructions on the bottom, and then you get the lanyard. Now the lanyard is different this year. The back side is more rounded. I'm thinking it's for your chest, which is good and bad because I could do it either way with the old one. Back. It does hold it, it just doesn't hold it well. And there's no question of which way it should go this time. But I think this is more being softer on your body than anything else. So that's different. Inside here we have, which is different this year, I could tell the reason why they did this is because before this came off and it's very easy to lose. And this is like a sticky stuff you don't want to get like dirt or sand or whatever on it, so you really want to put it back as soon as you take it off, whatever you had it on, and that could be in your bag somewhere at home and you forget about it. This is a great that it actually allows you to put it right back where it was with a little, so you don't lose it. And it's really thin and light. That's nice. It does come with the quarter screw mount for the tripod that you would put on like that. Very strong magnet, no doubt. Clamps clamp in. It also works on the older Go3. That has not changed. And then of course it works on the bottom mount also for both. That has not changed. All right, that is what's in the standard box besides the hat mount. And then we could also add it to the mount here, which is nice. That's very strong. And then you could have where you could tilt it on your chest every direction. So that's a great idea and great addition to this. So one thing you might be unsure as to whether, if you bought ND filters, which I did buy ND filters for the Go3, will it fit on the Go3S? Because some say, well, it's just a bigger filter it's on top, not lens. Well, that would be incorrect. This is bigger. The lens, you can see that the lens is bigger. That should allow, to me, more light to come in, and I cannot put Go3 lens on a Go3S body, nor can I put the Go3S lens on the Go3. The texture is different on the sides. The white was smoother than the black. You remember when the black came out, people said this texture was a little bit grippier. This is a lot more grippier on the 3S. It has definite grooves. You can feel like you're running over the edge of the roadway where you get the rumble strips. The Find My feature on my phone. I go to my devices, and now I have my Go3 camera listed there, and it's with me. When you can't find this camera somewhere in your bag or wherever, same with your keys, if you use AirTag, stuff like that, to be able to make a sound so you can find it is really, really cool. I did not expect Insta360 to partner with Apple like that and come up with a find feature on that. I don't know why they called this a 3S. This is definitely a whole generation difference. This is a 4. But the 4K, I don't know why they didn't go for that. These are interchangeable, even though it says 3S, that will work with either. You can actually buy, if you have the Go 3, you want to buy just the Go 3S camera, you can do that. I didn't know that at the time, but yes, something you can do and look into with Insta360. So let's talk about Go 3 and Go S when it comes to orientation and filming. Now with the Go 3, you could record this way, start it off, and be in landscape mode. With the Go 3S, if you record this way, you're going to be in 9x16 or TikTok mode or Instagram mode, portrait mode. If you record this way and then turn it this way, you'll still be in the same type of orientation, 9x16. So you need to know which way you want to record once you start recording. If you've never owned one of these before, it's not going to make a difference to you because you'll figure it out. But if you had an older one and you used to mount it like this on your chest and think you're going to do landscape, you're not. So you need to go this way with the Go 3S. You have to make sure you lock it in landscape mode to make sure you're in landscape mode.